Assalamualaikum dear student, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Versity School, Day Shift. Student, notice today our lecture number is 12, HW Norm 9 and topic is exercise 3.2 CQ2. Look, exercise 3.2 CQ2. This question is made from on the basis of exercise 3.2. Okay, you didn't find out this question in your book, but this question, that means this CQ is as similar as exercise 3.2. Okay, look, at first read the questions. A equal to -9 plus 4 plus minus 6, b equal to -7 plus -9 plus 3 plus 16. Now question A, determine the value of A. B, show that A less than B. C, placing the value of A and B on the number line, determine the value of A plus B. Look, at first write, given A equal to what? A equal to -9 plus 4 plus -6. Student, you know that minus and minus equal to what? Plus. Plus minus equal to what? Minus. Minus into plus equal to what? Minus plus a minus. Okay, plus and plus, this is equal to what? Plus. Okay, look, minus and minus, plus, plus minus, minus, minus plus, minus, minus plus minus, plus, plus a plus. Okay, now look, this is -9 plus 4. Okay, plus a plus, plus minus a minus. -9 plus 4 plus minus 6. Now 4 -9 -6 minus, take the minus common, then minus and minus plus, minus minus a plus 6. 9 plus 6 equal to what? 11. Okay, now calculate, then we get what? Sorry, 9 plus 6 equal to what? 9 plus 6 equal to 15. Now you have to subtract 15 from positive 4. This is equal to what? This is equal to -11. Okay, so the value of A is -11. Okay, right? The required value of A is what? A is -11. Okay, A number finished. Now look, B number. Show that A less than B. Right here, from A we have got A equal to what? A equal to -11. Okay, now right. Now B equal to what? Given B equal to -7 plus -9 plus 3 plus 16. Look, B equal to -7 plus -9 plus 3 plus 16. This information has given in the stamp. Now we have to calculate -7 plus minus -9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 16 plus 16. Okay, now 3 plus 3 plus 16 minus 7 This is equal to what? 3 plus 16 equal to what? 19. Minus common 7 plus 9. This is equal to what? 19. 7 plus 9. This is equal to what? 16. Right. Now subtract 16 from 19. This is equal to what? 3. Okay, student. Look, we have got b equal to what? B equal to 3. Look, minus 7 plus minus minus 9 plus 3 plus 16. Now 3 and 16 I have arranged. Minus 7 minus 7 minus 9 minus 9. 3 plus 16 equal to 19. Minus minus, we have to take minus common. Then minus and minus plus, minus and minus plus. 7 plus 9 equal to what? 16. Now subtract 16 from 19. We get 3. Our question is, show that A less than B. Okay. Now write. What we have got? That means we can write A equal to what? A equal to minus 11 and B equal to what? B equal to 3. Okay. That means what? A less than B. Look, value of A is minus 11 and value of B is 3. This is positive 3 and this is minus 11. Okay, so obviously this is the smaller and this is the bigger. So we can write A less than B. That means B is the bigger. Okay, you see the number line. Look, this is minus 11 and this is the positive 3. Okay, when we move from 0 to left side, then the value will be decrease, and when you move 0 to right side, the value will be increase. Okay, therefore we have to write hence A less than B. Sure. Now I will solve question number C. Placing the value, you see the question, placing the value of A and B on the number line, determine the value of A plus B. Look, right, from A we have got A equal to what? A equal to minus 11 and from B we have got B equal to what? Plus 3 or positive 3. Okay, now A plus B is equal to what? A means minus 11 plus 3. That means the positive 3. Okay. Now we have to add minus 11 plus 3 with the help of the number line. Okay. Now write, let us find the sum of A plus B on the number line. Let us find the sum of A plus B on the number line. At first, we draw a number line. At first you draw a number line like this way. Look, this is 0, minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, then 11. Then what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is all are positive and these are all are the negative. Look, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11. Now we have to add. Look, at first a equal to what? A equal to minus 11. A equal to what? Minus 11. So minus 11 lies on the right side. Okay, look up to this. Zero to minus 11. Now see plus 3. Result is plus 3. Okay, plus 3, that means you have to move 3 steps from 11. Okay, in the right side. How many steps? 3 steps. Look, then you have to move again 3 steps. That means here up to there. Look, 1, 2, 3. That means 3 steps. Now say our result is what? Our result is minus 8. Okay, our result is minus 8. So I have make a dark circle. Okay, make a dark circle. But we have to identify that our result is minus 8. So you have to draw like this way again. This line indicates that our result is minus 8. Okay, now we have to write the language. Look, at first we have to move 11 steps left from 0. Look, at first we have to move 11 steps left from 0 and reach at minus 11. Then from this point that means from minus 11, then from this point we have to move 3 steps right from minus 11. Look, then from this point, that means from minus 11, we have to move 3 steps right. This is the right side, right from minus 11. Look, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, right from minus 11 and reach at what? Reach at minus 8. Okay, thus A plus B equal to minus 11 plus 3. 3 then minus 11 is equal to what? Minus 8. Okay, student, this is the placing the value of A plus B on the number line. Okay, student, now I will talk with you about the SW. Look, SW number 9, CQ1, 6 integers are minus 39, 6, minus 6, 50, minus 42. Then arrange the number according to their values. According to their values, that means you have to arrange the number from smaller to greater. B number, find the sum of the mentioned digit. That means you have to adding these digits. C number, find the sum of second and the third number. That means this is the second number and minus 6 is the third number with the help of number line. Okay, at first that means you have to adding the second term and the third term with the help of number line. Student, this CQ1 and CQ2 almost similar. Okay, so you have to try to solve this. Dear student, you have to submit the HW copy on every Saturday within 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and you collect this HW copy on next Saturday. Dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.